Hello fellow people, how are you all? And today's video is going to be epic because today I will show you that right now the crypto market is sideways, but what can we expect in the future, the important levels to watch out, and most importantly, I am going to give some very good trades in the future in altcoins. So stay tuned, and that will just be my own opinion as well, so do your own analysis as well. And today I also took a trade in one of the US stocks. Well, I would say that it is not one of the US stocks, it's the US stock index, the S&P 500. So what's my prediction on that? Let's see all of that in today's video. First and foremost about the Bitcoin's price. So right now, as I will only tell you that this is the main important resistance for the Bitcoin's price, and it is ranging from $30,000 to $31,000 here. So the price did a breakout of this very incessant move came. So there are chances that now the price can come all the way down to retest this zone right here as well, and also it is in an upward trend. As you can see, low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So there are chances that the price can come down again for a new higher low. Till this level we can see it. So I would say the most important level is this, the purple level, and this gray line right here, and this yellow level I would say is not that pretty much of a resistance or support, but yes, price did respected it quite few times. Also coming to the Ethereum's time frame, and we can clearly see that the price gave a support from here and then went all the way up till here, this purple box, and right now it is stuck inside it. Well, this is very easy to trade now, because if the price of Ethereum breaks this purple box to the upside with a huge volume or with a retest, as I always say, then we will go long. And if the price of Ethereum breaks this yellow very important zone to the downside, then we'll go short. Our target will be this purple box right here, this recent low. I'm on the daily time frame, as you can see, so you can tally with your charts too. And this level is, I guess, at $1,500 only. And if the Ethereum's price goes to the upside, then our easy target will be this right here at approx $3,200. So yeah, right now for Ethereum I will only just wait and wait, because either the price breaks this zone to the upside or downside, a very good trade opportunity is going to arrive soon, because right now the price is stuck inside it. So let's just wait for it to do a breakout or a breakdown. This is my trade right here. It is on the S&P 500. So those of you who don't know, S&P 500 is the biggest index in the American stock market. It consists of more than, I guess, 500 top big US companies. And yeah, as you can see, the current price is $4,565, and I am bidding on it that it will go short from here. Let's see what happens. I may be too early also, but yeah, this is just my prediction, because this is a very important resistance line right here. See, simple chart. Beauty is in simplicity. I will keep it simple. I only have 3 lines right here. As you can see, the S&P 500 did a support from here, then went all the way incessantly till this line, did a retest here, and now going up here. Well, it did came all the way till here, I would say $4,580 level. And now what I am expecting is that, as its initial target is also completed right here, so what I am expecting is that now bears will get stimulated too, and the price will fall down from here. So this is my short position. Let me mention its target and stop loss. So its target is all the way down till here. This, I would say, beginning of the impulsive move. This dip right here is my target, where the important support line is also mentioned at $4,345, and my stop loss is just above its previous high, this at $4,612. So let's see how this trade goes. It can go in against us also, so do take with proper money management and risk management, and also do your own analysis as well. So yeah, this is the main trade in S&P 500. As you all see, I've shared that why I took the trade, my stop loss target, what I'm expecting, everything. So yes guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you understand that right now Bitcoin is just right now doing a correction, and what I think is that it can go down all the way till $30,000, 30, 31, maybe till 35 only, because there are some important levels to do a correction there. It is important. For the Ethereum, I told you that right now it is stuck in the very important resistance zone. So either it breaks it to the upside or downside, we'll enter in a perfect position there. So just wait for some time. And I also shared my new trade on S&P 500. So I hope you understand why I took the trade, and what I am expecting in the future, what is my take profit and stop loss. Also talking about some altcoins in crypto, yes, I would say that right now every altcoin in crypto is in between, stuck right here. We can't trade right there. Either I have to trade at the bottom or at the top. I have to buy the dips or sell the highs. I can't trade in between. So it's important for the altcoins to either come to my resistance level or support level before trading. But for sure, even if one altcoin also gives me an opportunity to trade, I will trade it for sure with you guys also, and I will inform you through my video, and I will tweet it on my Twitter as well. So yeah, this is it for today's video. I hope you understand it. Please, if you want to trade crypto, then there is a link in the description, Bybit. It is the crypto exchange to trade. You can create an account for free there and get $30,000 gift. And also if you want to trade S&P 500 or Forex or commodities, you can do that on XNES. The link of XNES is also in the description and in the pinned comments. Do create an account on XNES. You can get $1,000 bonus there. Create an account for free. I'm also trading this move on XNES only. So yeah, this is it for today's video. I hope you understand it. Many more trades are coming in the future, but let's have some patience for right now, and let's see how our S&P 500 trade goes.